Hi there, if you are a digital artist on Spoonflower and you usually start from Procreate, oh my gosh, today is the day you can finally activate directly on your iPad your new design with the digital proving. So let's do it today together. So what I suggest you go is to go directly to your design library and choose one design to prove. Sorry, we have to wait a little bit for the connection, and I guess many people are using it right now because it's so much fun, really so much fun. So I will select this one, for example. Oh, I always do this mistake. Let's just go. I just want to go there. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, cancel. What did I do? Okay, so once you are here, you will just go down, and finally, tra-la-la, there is the proof design button. So you will just check it, and then here directly on your iPad you will be able, here it will give you some guidelines, but I will show you now how I do for mine. So what is super cool is that you can just directly check your design here on the iPad. So you're supposed to check very well, let's say, the general view, deselect for example this grid and see if everything looks fine, but also go in detail, especially on the edges. So I will zoom in, and then I see that everything seems very good to me. Let me see also this part. Of course, when I'm zooming in, it will go pixelated because it's a raster file, not a vector file. But the important is, yes, to check. And I guess everything looks fine. Maybe this part is interesting to check. Yes, absolutely fine. So once you're ready, just play with it and enjoy the process. You can just select then, looks good. And once you're done, you will see this one. So here you can select directly if you wanted to make it available for sale on Fabric. Just wait a little bit, you will get the update, so now it's ready, and then go with wallpaper if you wanted to sell it also as a wallpaper. And that's all. And now when I will go on my shop, I will just be able to see them in new. And for example, exactly these one are 4 patterns that I just taste digitally in this way, and it was so much fun. And that's all. So I hope this video was useful, and let me know what do you think. And I will also love to see your creation, so feel free to contact me, to tag me, and to let me know. I would love to support each other also in this journey, and I hope 2024 will be really a year full of creativity, art, and happiness and success, especially in Spoonflower. And that's all. I'll see you soon. Bye.